Good morning, all of you. My name is Jithender Reddy. I'm working as an assistant professor at St. Peter's College. Department is BSc AI&ML. So today I'm going to explain what is software testing, what is importance of software testing, what is software testing strategy, conventional testing, testing strategies for conventional software. Okay. Once. So first of all, we are going to discuss about what is software testing. Second one, importance of software testing. Importance of software. Third one is software testing strategy. Software testing strategy. Next, fourth one is what is conventional testing. Next point, testing strategy for conventional testing strategy for conventional software. Strategy for conventional software. Okay, today what is our topics here? First one is what is software testing. Then we'll discuss what is the importance of software testing. Then what is the testing strategy. So then what is conventional testing? The different testing strategies for conventional software. So these points we are going to discuss. Okay, fine. Okay. So actually, what is software testing? Software testing is the process of testing, finding errors, defects, as well as uncovered errors also. What is testing? It's the process of finding the different types of errors, as well as uncovered errors, as well as defects in the any particular software product or system. Okay. So on the screen there are two definitions is there. Let's we go through that one. Software testing is defined as the process of executing a program or system with the intent of finding errors. Okay, what is testing? It is the process of finding errors or defects in the any particular software system or product. So one more definition is there. What is the testing? The process of reducing uncertainty. Process of reducing uncertainty about the correctness of the software system by executing the system with the purpose of finding its defects, if any. Okay. So it what? Once we implement any particular software product, the product does not contains any uncertainty. Means it must and should be produce the valid as well as reliable. So what is testing process means what? There is finding, there is no uncertainty, there is no errors, there is no any bugs. Okay, this is known as definition of software testing. Okay, the main definition is what? Software testing means to find out any is the process of to find out any defects, any errors in the particular system or application. What is the second one? Yes, second one is why. Why testing? Actually, what is the importance of testing? Yes or no? Yes, we are going to perform in testing the particular product. What is the importance? So there are some importances is there. Right. First importance, ensures software quality. So ensure software quality means what? Yes, the testing helps to, what is testing? Helps to identify the any defects or errors or any bugs in the particular software product. So after testing all the After testing, finding all the bugs, all the defects, all some errors, then all these errors are must and should be resolved. So after resolving, the particular software product software product quality must and should improve. Means particular software product does not contains any errors or any bugs, any defects. Obviously, the quality will be improved. That is the first important. So what is the first importance of the testing? It ensures software quality. Okay, right. Second one is what? Customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction. Fine. Okay. Testing is completed. Yes, each and every product must and should be accept the inputs. At the same time produce the reliable output. That is valid output. Okay. So the user is going to be give some inputs. Then the product must and should be give the valid or reliable output. Okay. So means the product must and should be satisfy all the user specifications. So for example, if you take one of the software product or application ATM system. Okay. So the customer is going to be keep his card in the system. Then based on his interest, he must and should be the machine must and should be produce the or release the some specified amount. So means after testing, the product must and should be satisfy all the user specifications. Means you will accept the inputs at the same time to produce the accurate result, valid as well as reliable. Right. Third one, reduces cost. Third importance is what? Reduces cost. So by identifying the errors as well as bugs in the particular product, okay, so there is no need to spend high amount to testing the particular product. Means once the testing is completed, as the particular application or particular product is without any testing, then there is no spending extra amounts, means extra cost to test again the particular product. So that's why you will reduce the cost. Fourth one is improves reliability. Yes, obviously what happened? So without any bugs, without any errors, the product or application ready to accept the inputs. The same time it will satisfy all the user specifications. Then automatically it will improve the reliability. Means what? It will give the accurate result. The result which is came from that one must and should be valid. Okay. So this is the fourth one. So next fifth one is minimizes risks. Okay. After testing is completed, there is no defects, there is no errors, there is no any bugs. Then it will automatically decrease the to maintain no risks. It is easy to maintain. So next one is enhances performance. Yes, obviously without any defects, without any errors. Okay, everything is tested, each and every module is okay. Then what happened? So automatically it will improve the performance. Means in the fraction of second it will accept the inputs. At the same time it will produce the accurate result. So last one is easy to maintenance. Yes. So without any errors, without any bugs, without anything. So the system, the product is ready to accept the user inputs, produce the valid output. At the same time it is ready to any updations required, each and any module, any component. Yes, it is easy to maintain. Okay. So without any bugs, it is easy to maintain. These are the importance of the software testing. So next one is software testing strategy. Yes. So actually what is strategy? What is software testing strategy? Yes. So what is our task actually? We have to perform testing the particular application or particular software product. So yeah, to perform this testing, we have lots of requirements. Okay, what are the steps we have? First of all, where we have to start? Yes or no? Where to start? Yes, the entire product is there. Yes, your entire product contains n number of modules. Means just assume that 5 number of modules is there. So you are going to testing the entire product at a time, or you are going to perform the testing as module wise. Means what is the starting point? What is the ending point? So where you have to start? Okay, that is the first requirement. Second one is resources. This is very important. Okay, resources means how much resources will be required in the terms of what are the tools we require to perform the testing. The same time, number of employees also, means how many number of testers. This is also important. Okay, so the resources. Second point is what? The resources. So third one, to perform testing, that is one more important is time. Means how much time we require. Okay, first one is where we have to start the testing process. Second one is resources in the terms of tools or any number of employees. Next one is how much time required to perform the testing. So next one is what? Yes, what are the test cases we have to design? Next one is what? What are the test cases we have to design? Okay, so all these required. Okay, so what it explains software testing strategy, what it explains? So what do we know already? So when we are going to performing testing strategy, what do we required? First of all, debugging. So for example, there is one method is there, int add from int a int b. So how many parameters? 2 parameters. Yes, return a minus b. So while during testing process, so the method is, there is no errors. Why? According to syntax, the method is okay. So means the user intention is what is going to be perform the addition of two numbers. During the testing process, yes, there is no errors. Will not give any errors. So debugging means what? Actually the user wants what? Actually addition of a plus b. Means for example, if you are going to give pi 2, will get 7. So instead of 7, what happened? It will give what? 3. Okay. So debugging means what? It will fix the errors. Yes, there is an error in the code. This is known as debugging. Clear? Right. What is the first advantage? Early bug detection. Second one is easier debugging. Third one is improved code quality. So successful testing is completed, then automatically it improve the code quality, right, in the unit testing. So next one is easy to change or facility to change. Okay, while you are performing testing process by unit wise, then what is the easy way to, for example, in a particular unit we are going to change any code. Okay, I will give simply. So in a particular unit, is there, it contains some amount of code. So if we are performing the unit testing, so if you are going to change any code, okay, then it is easy to accept. It is easy to possible to change without affecting the existing functionality. Okay, what is the main advantage of this unit testing? The developer wants to change any code, okay, then easy to change the particular code in the unit without defecting or without breaks any existing functionality of the particular unit. That is the main advantage of the unit testing. Okay, next, unit test considerations. Yes, we are going to, what are the test cases we are going to apply in the unit testing? Yes, okay, like, so observe a diagram. Already I told, yes or no, each and every product contains a number of modules or units. Okay, so just observe here, there is a one module. Means what? Now unit wise testing is going on, module wise testing is going on this module. Now the team or the tester is going to apply the some test case on the module. Okay, so I will draw one more simple diagram here. It's easy to get. Yes, all as we discussed already, software product is there. So the software product contains different modules. Already we know. So for example, module 1. Okay. So for example, module 1. The next one is module 2. Module or unit or component. Next one is module 3. One is module 4. Just assume that. So after testing all the modules, the test result will be a result. Test result. Sorry. So for each module, the different test cases we are going to apply. So what are they? First one is interface. The following tests are going to be done on the each module. Okay. Next one is what? Local data structures. Second one is local data structures. Third one is boundary conditions. There is any boundary conditions. Next one is what? Independent paths. Independent paths. Last one is error detecting paths. Error. Okay. So in the unit testing what? Now each module the following test cases are going to be applied. These are tests going to be applied. Now module 1, module 2, module 3, module 4, all these test cases will be applied to get the test result. Okay, thank you for watching.